Tiny guy, still fun. Really gonna get with it. Skaters coming your way. A full grown man, you know. A kid, yeah. Jeez, hit me like a ton of bricks. Oh no, that's bigger, much bigger. That's a better one. Alright guys, what's happening? So, it's my first video after my son was born. We already filmed a whole bunch of video. I obviously knew that my son was going to be born, so kind of stockpiled some video, hit it hard, and was fishing a lot. Just to let you guys know, I did win the tournament. It ended September 30th. I mean, now it's, you know, like 2 weeks later. But hey, what are you gonna do? I haven't even edited anything or filmed anything like that in over a week now. So I'm gonna take probably another week off, and then I'm gonna get back to creating new content. But anyway, let's remember what happened last video and what we were about to see. So let's go ahead and watch Brody slam his new PB, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. It's growing, we're doing well, and we've reached my goal for the year, and now let's push that goal even further. Oh, and by the way, check the new gear, guys. Veterans Fishing. I'm gonna link them down below. Guy who runs it is Matt. He's a real good guy. He's got a great mission statement and what he wants to provide to veterans. So go ahead and check him out, guys. I'll link his Instagram page below. And yeah, check out his gear. You'll be pleasantly surprised. All right, guys, let's get into this video. All right, guys, we're back to the big squirm. 10-inch worm from 13 Fishing. I see a bass. Oh, it's a smaller one. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't know how big, but it felt really good when it hit. Not big. Definitely a fighter though. He hit it like a tank. Whew. I'm gonna go with this is not gonna be what I want. But we are on our first fish. Just size comparison, guys. 10-inch worm and maybe an 18-inch fish. All right, girl. Thanks for biting. All right, guys. So, like I said, we're back for our afternoon session with Brode. Brode, can you say hi to the people? Oh, geez, that was not good. Okay, so this is what we're seeing. We're seeing a lot of fish schooled up around the grass as we walk up. I mean, there's literally one right here, but it doesn't seem like he wants to eat. There's 2, 3. We saw a total of like 5. So, I mean, these are little guys though, and if we're having no luck, we can come back down and play with these guys. What a dink. What a dink.
I think that's the smallest fish I've caught in a while. Oh boy. All right, guys, so we're gonna get right back on what we were fishing this morning, which was the cliff banger from 13 Fishing. Just throwing the crankbait out and working different angles, working different areas, and we're gonna see if they're still hitting the crankbait. It's warming up, so they might have stopped on it, but we'll find out. Look at this bait right here. It's at the surface and it's running. It is running from something. Throw out there. Get out there. That's all bait. You don't have to let that one sink. It floats. It floats when it lands, okay? That is a whole bunch of bait. There you go. I told you. Reel it. Reel it. Yeah, it feels like a good one, huh? Told you. Reel it, buddy. There you go. Hold on to that tight. He's coming up. That's a big one. That's a big one. Hold on to it tight. There you go. Keep on going. That is huge, son. Okay, okay, okay. I let him run. He'll come back up. All right. Don't fight him. Reel down. Got him right on the side. That's why he's fighting like crazy. There you go. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right. Yep.
Dude,
that's gonna be your new PB.
Yeah.
For sure. That's for sure gonna be your new PB, buddy. What'd I tell you? See? They were eating the deep cranks today. That's a monster, dude. Yes.
7 maybe.
7?
7.
I'm thinking 6s. $5.15. Okay, new PB. Let's weigh it one more time. 5 pounds, 15 ounces.
It's about 6.
It's 5.15. It will not give you a 6. Oh. Well, guess what, dude? You got a new PB. And on a crankbait now. That's a big fish. Here you go.
I thought it was going to be way more bigger.
Thought it was going to be 6. You got to hold it right, dude. Come on. You know how to hold a fish. Get your other hand back underneath his belly and support it. There you go. All right.
It's the biggest one I saw.
That's the biggest fish you ever caught?
But it's just one more.
One more ounce?
Yeah, one more ounce.
5 pounds, 15 ounces?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, that is a monster fish.
I need to catch it like a 7 or 8.
Oh, dude, you're a jerk. I need to catch a 7 or 8. All right, let's get her back in the water. Come on. All right, spin her around, grab her by the tail. Let her go in the water, and then when she goes in the water, when she floats, you spin her around, okay? Let her go. Like that, buddy. Good job, dude.
All right, guys. Well, hey, I hope you liked the video. It was kind of a quick one just because there was some leftover stuff that I did not get to prior to my new son being born. Anyway, so Brody slammed his new PB, 5 pounds, 15 ounces. His old one was 5 pounds, 13 ounces. And he caught it on a cliff banger from 13 Fishing. That's like and he caught it on like the 8-foot diver. It's pretty awesome. I mean, the kid's like completely disappointed that he didn't catch a 7 or an 8. I mean, he's 7. Seriously, I didn't catch my first 5-pounder till I was like, I don't know, 14. But I also was growing up in Ohio. But anyway, guys, we got a couple more videos in the queue coming up. Frog fishing videos in the queue coming up. So those are filmed. We're ready to go on those. Just got to edit them up and everything else. All right, guys. No bar talk, because guess what? It's like 9:30 in the morning. I mean, I'm not going to drink bourbon or rum or anything like that at 9:30 in the morning on a weekday. Jeez, come on. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Hit that subscribe button for me, guys. And you know what? Let's roll that clip of Brody catching his PB again. Here it comes.
Got him around the side, that's why he's fighting like crazy. There you go.
Catch it like a 7.
Oh, dude, you're a jerk. I need to catch a 7 or 8.